Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JK Sparks. Today I am creating a beautiful resin photo frame for someone very special. My super cute niece. This frame captures her journey from newborn to 6 months and I wanted to make something she can treasure forever. I started by selecting the photos from each month, tiny moments that show how quickly babies grow and how adorable every stage is. Next, I arranged the pictures carefully inside the frame mold, planning the design so each memory has its own place. Every photo holds a little story, and I wanted the frame to feel like a timeline of her early days. Once the layout was ready, I prepared the resin mixture. I poured it slowly and evenly to avoid bubbles, making sure the photos were perfectly sealed and protected. To make it more special, I added tiny string lights and created her little hands and feet using Fevicryl clay molds. These small details really brought the whole piece to life. As the resin settled, the whole frame began to look magical, clear, glossy, and full of emotion. It's amazing how something handmade can hold so much love and meaning. After allowing it to cure completely, the final result turned out beautiful. A personalized resin frame filled with her first 6 months, tiny expressions, tiny smiles, tiny memories. I hope she will look at this someday and know how loved she has always been. And I am happy I could create something special for her. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JK Sparks for more creative projects. So, see you in the next one. Bye bye.